Hello everyone, we are here at In-Out, a student hackathon at NIT Surat, and we have a bunch of interesting companies who are here with their APIs which they have given out to the students to use. And here I am with Shashank from Razorpay. I'll hand over to Shashank to tell us more about what Razorpay is and what you do at Razorpay.
Yeah, thank you, Juvin. So, Razorpay is basically an online payment gateway. Our aim is to allow anyone to accept payments online. So, if let's say you want to sell something, you need an online payment gateway. Just like if you're selling in a physical store, you need a card swiping device, right, to accept card payments. So, similarly, on online, you require some software to interface with the card networks, net banking, wallets, etc. So, we provide you that software to accept payments, and our entire focus has been on making the integration very easy, allowing merchants to go online very easily. So, we activate people in 2 to 3 days time. We've had people who have been able to integrate the entire PG in less than 30 minutes. That's unheard of in this industry. So that's been our main aim, and we are at In-Out because it's a developer event, and Razorpay has been made by developers. Our founders both were developers themselves, and we've had a very developer-centric focus. We wanted to ensure that people have a very good time integrating Razorpay. It doesn't feel like they're fighting the APIs, right? So that's has been our entire focus, and we're here to do a bit of developer outreach, show them how our APIs are, also see if we can find good talent for the same company also. That's been our main aim.
So, and tell us about yourself. How's your journey with Razorpay been?
So I joined Razorpay in December of 2014. I was still in college back then from IIT Roorkee, and these guys were just about to go into Y Combinator back then, the co-founders Harshal and Shashank Kumar. So I joined these guys, and my expertise mostly is in technology, making products. So I got in very early. I'm employee number 007 to be honest, and I take care of Android primarily right now. Apart from that, anything that is user facing is under me sort of a thing. I focus on those, ensuring that we develop it in such a way that people enjoy the product. Apart from that, marketing etc. is something that I focus on because it's mostly a startup sort of a system. So a lot of things need to be handled. So you would find tweets that have been written by me, blog posts written by me. At the same time, I would also be writing code at Razorpay. So yeah.
Great. And so, how has the experience been here till now?
It's pretty good. The number of people who here from outside of Surat and from Surat, it's pretty good, and it's I think one of the largest student-run hackathons. Most of the hackathons tend to be very regional specific, where you have very low number of people attending, but the sheer number has been very good. The organizers are very experienced now. It's the third version that they're doing, so they know what they're doing very well, and it's Shakti in particular has been in touch with the sponsors, getting them on board, ensuring everybody knows what's going on. So it's been very well conducted. Yeah.
And if you talk about the developer community or the ecosystem in general in India, what are you feeling like? Where do we stand right now?
There's a long way to go, to be honest. India is not really known so far for the technological products that we've made. We're known for the businesses that we've created, but not for the technical advancements that we've done in a lot of these domains. That's primarily because a lot of the students have not been exposed to a lot of it. When I was back in college, for 3 years ago, 4 years ago, we had very few hackathons. It was mostly Microsoft or Yahoo conducting few of them, probably in their own focus way. For example, if Microsoft is focusing on security in one particular year, their events would be around security. So it would be very driven by these corporates, and in general, not a lot of things were being done. But things are changing right now. We need more examples in India to show that yes, a global technological product can come out of India. There are a bunch of great companies. Wingify, for example, is over here right now, and they're a pretty good technical product that they've created. There are a bunch of other companies that are coming up, and we hope to set the similar kind of an example with Razorpay. But yeah, I think we need more examples for global products.
Great. And in terms of hiring, what kind of response do you see? As in, do you find talent when you come to hackathons, or how do you hire in general?
So our hiring, one thing that we've realized is that you don't need to be from CS background particularly to do well in terms of product making things. There's no guarantee that a person who's very good with algorithms and data structures will be able to make a product that people can use, right? So our hiring has been mostly to find people who are self-driven. At a company stage where we are right now, about 50 people with around 25 in tech, we need people who can make things themselves, not people who need to be given a spec sheet saying the step 1 is this, step 2 is this, step 3 is this. We need people who can make a lot of these things. So Hackathon makes a very good bet for it because people over here are those folks who are demonstrating that they can make things on their own. own. They can ideate, think out what is the minimum viable product that they need to make, and then ship it, right? These are the exact kind of people we need at the company also. So our strategy is mostly to find people who can execute on their own.
Great. Okay. And any final comments on any interesting demos that you've already seen or hoping to
I'm
see?
looking forward to seeing some interesting demos. It's so far what I think that In-Out has been able to achieve is that it's a good combination of this kind of sponsors they've been able to bring in and the kind of people they've been to bring in. A lot of events in India tend to lack in terms of sponsors, primarily because they've not been able to create a stage where people would be ready to sponsor. In-Out has been able to succeed in that aspect. At the same time, it's been able to attract a good audience to come over here and make things. So it's a pretty good bet, and I'm hoping to see by the end of tomorrow we'll have some really interesting hacks.
So it was great having Shashank over, and he's here today and tomorrow during the hackathon, and I'm sure the participants will interact and learn something great about Razorpay. And yeah, we'll be interacting with more people now, so we'll move on to that.
Thank you, Jagan.